So I just wanted to do a quick video about the XTR Di2 that we fitted to this transition control. This one's a little bit different. What we tried to do, it was a bit experimental, was to try to get it running without the display unit, which you'll see on every mountain bike setup. Now what this allows you to do is it allows you to charge the system, allows you to see what gear you're in, and allows you to connect to their eTube project so that you can update the software, and obviously you can adjust the gears from it as well. So yeah, we haven't seen this done before, nor the Shimano guys we've spoken to, none of them. So what we also wanted to achieve is a stealthy routing as possible, try and keep the handlebars as clean and tidy as we can, given what's available in the market at the moment. So the first point of call was to run the Pro fastest handlebar. Now these are the only ones on the market at the moment which are drilled for Di2. Basically means you can put things inside them and have cables running through the outside. If I just move over to here, this eastern handlebar isn't drilled, but just to show you kind of what we've done here, we've taken the JC41 4-port box. Now this is more commonly used on road bikes, but it works with the mountain bike system just fine. And we've put that inside the handlebars. So it's sitting about there inside the transitions handlebars. 3 cables coming off it. One of them goes through to the middle. There's a hole in the Pro bar, which that then runs through to the stem, which I'll show you in a second. This one then runs through to this side and connects into the rear derailleur cable. And then this one runs down this side and connects into the shifter. So if you move back towards the bike, the longest cable at the moment available from Shimano is 1600. Now that goes all the way down through the frame and to the rear derailleur. It's not quite long enough then to go back inside the handlebar and meet that junction box. So we had to do a little bit of digging around and find a new product that Shimano do, and it's this here. Now that is an inline 2-port connector, so you can use that to extend the cables you've already got, so we've then got it meeting another cable which goes inside. What that also does though is that allows you to have Bluetooth connectivity. So if you remember this, that is your Bluetooth unit, which lets you do the software updates and just check battery status and things like that. So with this we can now connect with your phone into it, do the software updates, so that's one of the problems solved. So that then neatly sort of shrink wrap that all the way to the rear brake hose, and that just runs all the way down inside the frame through to the rear derailleur. So going back to what I was just talking about with the cable that runs through the handlebar into the stem. Now with this Pro, I think it's the fastest stem, we can basically have a cable going around the back side of it and comes out neatly in this hole. And this, you'll notice, is again an unusual part for a mountain bike. Now this is a brand new part from Shimano which allows you to basically have a junction box inside the end of your handlebars. It's for road bikes. If you can imagine a road bike handlebar, the bar end is neatly tucked out of the way, it doesn't really get any action. If you try to put that in your mountain bike, you're just going to end up smashing it to pieces. So logical place for me was to put that down inside the stem. These stems adjust from the bottom, so you don't need a star ankle nut or anything in there. It means the steering tube's free to use for all sorts of things. That has the charging port in it, and it also has the button which allows you to do the fine tuning of the derailleur. And then underneath that we have another little cable, and that is where the battery lives, so just down inside there. So once that's all in place, not very neat and tidy at the moment, but it will be, pop that cap on, nothing to see here, and then it's all nice and sealed from underneath as well. So there we go, that is the XTR Di2 setup on this.